What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you one of the best value in-ear headphones that you can buy today. These are the Monster Airlinks and they're water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, so you get a better range. Instead of 33 feet of range, you get up to 800 feet of range, which is a big improvement. So you can have your phone docked somewhere and you can clean your house without disconnecting your earbuds to your phone. Here's a chart showing you what big improvements are over Bluetooth version 4.2. Faster speed, better range, and longer battery life. You could get about 5 to 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, and with the base you could charge the in-ear headphones up to 5 times. It's also IPX5 water resistant, which means you could jog in the rain. You can also take calls. It has a built-in microphone and it has a multifunction button, so you can end calls or tap to receive calls. All right, enough talking about it. We're just gonna open it up and check it out, and I'm gonna play some music. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So it comes in this easy to carry metal case. I love that design where you twist and it just reveals the earbuds. Very cool. It's kind of addicting. And here's the micro USB. This is where you charge the device. So it looks like the battery is full, has LEDs indicating that it's full. All right, that's cool. And let's go ahead and take them out. R is for the right side, obviously. And left. So once you put it in, they're magnetic and it clicks in and turns off. Goes in just like that. And just like that. And they do light up. I don't know if you can see that. See, they light up blue, which is kind of cool. And it also supports quick charge, which you could just charge it for an hour and they'll give you a few hours of playtime. So I like the design because it has these little rubber hooks that lock into your ear and makes it more secure in your ear. And a charging cable, which is USB to micro USB. It also comes with different sizes. So if you have bigger ears or smaller ears, they support that. So it's labeled R for right ear. You want to put it in and then shove it right here on the upper part of your ear. Now, once you tap right here, it automatically turns on and it will automatically turn off when not in use. So right now it says pairing, so I got to pair it to my phone. Actually, they're pretty good. They fit really well, and the hook in my ear makes it feel more secure. And they're not coming out. I'm trying to knock them out, but they're not coming out anytime soon. Let me go ahead and play something. So I just connected it to my phone. The name is Clarity 101 Airlinks, and it tells you the battery life on them. All right. I had to tap the left earbud to turn it on. So now it turned on. And they're really loud. Like really loud. Too loud. I lower it. And I want to check out the bass. So I'm playing a song right now. Wow. They have bass, which is impressive because most earbuds I listen to don't have any bass. Yeah, these are definitely nice. And then the pause. You tap, it pauses the song, okay? And then tap to play, yep. And then tap to hold, skip the song. And then this side, tap, hold, it goes previous song. So triple tap raises the volume, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then the left ear, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that would lower the volume. These earbuds sound amazing. Oh my God. I don't know how they do it. So let's see, now that I have it closed up, let's see if they turn off. See, they're not connected right now. But as soon as I take it out, then they automatically connect. Put them back in. and they automatically disconnect. So if you guys are interested in the Monster Airlinks, check out the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that may be interested in the Airlinks, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. Thanks guys for watching.